Hello and welcome to another lesson. In this video I'm going to teach you how to work with screenshots. Again, very good feature provided by Playwright. You can simply take screenshots of full pages of your application or target only specific elements or sections. Let me show you how. So let me close the terminal and let's scroll down inside our example spec, and I'm gonna create a new test and I'm gonna give it a description of screenshots. And for this purpose, I'm going to use the example web page. So step number 1 is load website, and step number 2 is to take screenshot of full page. So let's grab the URL of our example.com website, and you should already know how to do it. We want to call page.goto and pass it the URL as argument. And the second, we want to call the screenshot function. And again, with Playwright, it's very intuitive. You want to call await page.screenshot, and you want to provide it a path. So let's give it a path of, for example, screenshot.png, and the second argument you want to call is full page, and you want to set it to true because you want to target the complete page. So let's now try to run it. So npx playwright test, and want to use the config. And also the project. And let's use, for example, Firefox this time, and hit enter. And I have a mistake. I forgot that we have the test only here at the top on the basic test, so let's remove it. And let's put the test only here on the test with screenshots. So let's run it again. And as you can see, the test has been successful and the new screenshot has been created in the root of the project. And if we open it, you can see that we have a screenshot of the complete full web page. So step number 2 is to use only single element screenshot or to target only specific part of your application. So for that, I'm gonna create one more test, and I'm gonna name it single element screenshot. And here I'm gonna copy paste the URL because we want to target the same. But right now I need to select a specific element on the page. So I need to create a variable, for example, give it a name of element, and I'm gonna use await, and now I'm gonna use page dot and the $, like this, and I'm gonna paste it the h1 because I want to target the h1 on the page, which is this big title. And right now all I need to do is await element dot screenshot, and also give it a path, and the path can be, for example, single element screenshot.png, and save it. And that's it. Let's now run the test. So it should take the screenshot of the full page, and then it should take a screenshot only of the single h1 element. So as you can see, 2 tests are passed, and we have the first screenshot, which is the original one of the full page, and then we have the single element screenshot, and if you take a look, the Playwright only targeted the example domain, which is the h1 element. So that's it. This is how you can take screenshots. Just a quick recapitulation. If you want to take full page screenshot, you simply call await page.screenshot, you give it a path, and you give it the parameter of full page and set it to true. And if you want to target a single element or some specific area, you need to create a new variable. You will use await page the $sign and pass the selector, and then you call await, use the variable, and call the screenshot on that variable, and again just specify the path, and the Playwright will screenshot only the specific area. So that's it. These were two options how you can take screenshots with Playwright. And in the next sections, I can also show you how to use visual regression testing to compare the results with the actual results of your application. This is a very interesting topic, but a little bit more advanced, so I'm gonna keep it on the later sections. So I think that's all for the screenshots, and we can move on to the next topic.